Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about how to create a ringtone from any mp3 file using your Android device. But before starting, I would request you please subscribe my channel if you are visiting my channel for the first time, and if you already subscribed, thank you so much my friend. Also share this video with other peoples so they can learn from this video. Okay, to cut any mp3 file and to make a ringtone, first you have to download this application from Google Play Store. So look at my screen right now and remember the application icon from here. Once you will open the application, you will see the same type of screen on your Android device, and all mp3 list will be displayed in front of you from your device. And in this tutorial I will show you how to cut an mp3 file from my existing mp3 list, and I will choose the first mp3. Now you have to select a starting point and you have to define the ending point. Okay, so I'm dragging the first line here and I will define the ending point, for example here. So it's about 42 seconds. You can see the duration of the selected area in the bottom right corner. You can edit the duration directly from here, and you can change the duration number from here. For example, 30 seconds. 30 seconds is better for making ringtone, or you can change any other duration as you want in order to properly cut the mp3 file for your project. So once you set the perfect duration, click on the green tick mark from the bottom and click on save. Okay, now it's saved, and as you can see I already saved this file for 4 times in order to cut the mp3 perfectly. So if you click on the saved file name, you can play the mp3 file from here. You can send this mp3 file to any other party, or you can make ringtone from this mp3 directly from here, or you can rename the mp3 file from here. Even you can delete the mp3 file from here, especially if you were not happy with this mp3. So you can again cut the mp3 from this application. So this is the tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, and in order to get this application you have to visit the Google Play Store application first. In the Google Play Store, simply type mp3 cutter, and this will display all mp3 cutter results. From there, simply choose this one, which is called mp3 cutter from Account Lab. This is the application, and the application provider name is Account Lab. And from my experience, this application is working perfectly till now, and I'm really happy with this application because I cut a lot of mp3 files using this application, and it's working perfectly. And currently this application downloaded more than 10 million subscribers and already have a lot of reviews, and the rating of the reviews is really satisfactory till now. So this is a very good application you can download from Google Play Store in order to cut any mp3 file and making ringtones. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you were visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest tips and tricks and videos. And thank you so much. Wait for the latest video. Have a great day.